Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. Okay, so I got a comment from one of my subscriber. You can read it over here. So he was saying that he is in the final year and he has a project idea for his final year project. So basically he want to create a Node.js project that will work similar to S3 bucket. Okay, so S3 bucket is a service that provides you cloud storage where you can store data on the cloud and store it over there, and you can retrieve it whenever you are wherever there is a need of that data. Okay, so my subscriber want to create a similar S3 bucket service without using Amazon services. Okay, so he want to create a fresh new service that will provide you file storage on the cloud. Okay, so let's create a Node.js project in this tutorial, and let's try to replica the S3 bucket services in our Node.js project itself without using any external APIs. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the first part of our video tutorial. So in the second part, I'm going to create a Node.js project where I'm going to install different kinds of modules such as Express.js, FS library, path and everything. Okay, and we are going to give a project proper structure to our Node.js project. Okay, so let's get started.